cliffs, golden light through the morning mist. Waves roll in with a gentle sigh, touching rocks that reach up to the sky. Quarry Beach, where the land meets the sea, sandstone and water, both wild and free. Seabirds call as they circle high, like they're drawn to this endless sky. Oh, Quarry Beach, where the land meets the sea, sandstone and water, both wild and free. Seabirds call as they circle high, like they're drawn to this endless sky. Oh, Quarry Beach, where the colors run deep, golden cliffs and the ocean sweep, textures of sand and waves that sing. Here with nature I found my wings, from the rocks to the shore I feel alive, on these secret shores where the wildness thrives. Just south where the coastline bends is a hidden path that never ends. Secret beach where the world feels still, with a cave full of sand beneath the hill. Soft as silk, that sand underfoot, where time slips by and the worries stay put. The cave's a haven, cool and wide, where the ocean whispers from the other side. Oh, secret beach where the cave holds tight, filled with the sands of day and night. Shadows dance in the evening sun, nature's quiet song has just begun, where the waves and the land forever meet, in the arms of this cove that feels so sweet. Let the guitar flow soft like waves, building like the tide. The solo should evoke the feeling of flying over the cliffs, touching down on the sand, then lifting into the sky again. The rocks are layered, history's hand, each grain of sand, each line of land. Fish in the shallow, seabirds soar, this place is timeless forevermore. Oh, Quarry Beach where the sandstone glows, and Secret's cave where the soft sand flows. Textures of nature where land meets sea, in every moment I feel wild and free. From the cliffs to the shore I'm alive, on these sacred shores where the spirit thrives. Quarry Beach and secret sand, together they make this a timeless land, where the waves play soft and the seabirds cry. I'll linger here neath the open sky. Nature's song is in the breeze, and in this beauty my soul finds peace.